facilitate the training about Quarto. This may be not very new for some people. So based on the survey, so maybe let me put in presentation mode. So thank you for everyone for filling this survey. I see, for example, for the question, are you familiar with marker-based publishing tools? It's like 50-50. The second one, have you ever used Quarter? Like heart of its, but yeah, most of people know Quarter, and some of people also have been using it. And have you used Tiny Tech? Most of people know. I imagine that many of people are writing their document via Word, not LaTeX. Why this is a bit new. Second one, do you have Tiny Tech? Not yet, but after that, when I send the suggestion, I think everyone here was able to install the packet. If not, we have some other facilitator here. You can write on the chat so they can help you to do that. But it's not like so urgent because we are not going to start with that. And how interested are you in learning? So most of people are very interested. Good. And I hope they will learn something after the session. So how excited? So everyone is excited, even me as facilitator. Okay, thank you so much. I think based on this, now we are going to proceed. So today we are going to introduce you the basic of Quarter, and after that you will be able to complete because you will not see everything here. We just show you the basic, how to at least have a ready document, and then it will be continued. So this workshop will cover the introduction of Quarter, how to create a clean document report, how to export it in different format like HTML, PDF, or Word document. And the session will be also facilitated by my colleagues Yasin Kokoda, that you know very well, and Kaiser, the most famous in the group. So, what is Quarto? Quarto is an open source multi-language scientific and technical publication system by POSIT. It allows you to create dynamic reproducible document. You can combine narrative text with executable code because if most of you were using Word to write their article or report or some document, so most of time if they are adding some images or some analysis, they are doing this analysis in another from another platform like R or Python, something like that. And then for them to be able to add this result in the Word document, they have to load it, which can take time. And for Quarto, it's allows you to do all these in the same page. And it supports many languages like Python, R, Julia, and GS. But in this session, we will more focus on R. While learning Quarto, as I just mentioned, it's can give you a reproducible document, so you can have the text in the same time. You have the figures, the analysis. You can add new data also. Everything you can create it from a KMD document, and then you can run to export it in different as a format of document. Please, if you have some question or clarification, ask upon your mic, because we are just going to describe these different presentation and go practice directly. So how to get a ready document? So initially you will create a document .qmd, which is a mark of Quarto document. From that, you can need or use Jupyter. When you run it will create internally MD document to Pandoc, and from that, based on your output format, you will have either HTML or Word or PDF, which is fantastic, because sometimes yeah, for exporting or transforming a Word document to PDF, it's very easy now. From PDF to Word, not very easy. You have to use online platform maybe. From HTML to Word or HTML, it's not very easy too. But here you have something that allow you to move between these different exportation format, that is very useful. So how the document is structured? So first you have the YAML part, where you are going to fill your title, your date of document, the different authors, and also which format of output do you want to get, and how about execution options, and also you can add some other additional parameter. After that, to create the document, you need different sections that we are calling here headings. They are different level. You can see here from level 1, which only required hashtag here, and one hashtag. It's very important. You have one hashtag and you write your heading name. And level 2 is 2 hashtag and space. You have to make the space also very important. And on up to level 6, which correspond to 6 hashtag. So depending on the different section and subsection that you want to put in the document. After that, also we have the text format. Sometimes people can depending on the words that you have in the text, you can make some words like italics. If it is only to start between on the words, you have start to put the word and you have start. It will give you italic word, bold, bold italic also. You can have explosion in the word. You can, I don't know if someone is going to use this in the ready text, but if someone is reviewing your document, maybe the person can use this struct as route to like ask you removing some part of the text. You can also add some verbatim code. And in the same document, you can add links, and there are different way of adding links. You have this fashion. You have the parenthesis also, where you can put the name, additional caption of the link. You have this fashion also, and you have this also. Or we are going to practice it very soon. And we can also add images by just putting this script, just this, and to add your image name, very important. So if the image is in the same folder with the Quarto document, you only have to add the image name. But if the image is in another folder, so you have to add before the image name the path of that folder. If not, it's not going to be shown in your Quarto document. You have also some writing list. So you have, if you want to create an ordered list, just put start and space, going to give you something like this. And if you want to create some items, just start and put some space, like maybe 2 space, like. And if you want to put ordered list, just give the numbers 1 dot, make space, and you put your list word. Some people also might want to create tables. So it's not very easy to create tables because you have to like make sure that these are well ordered. Yeah, but during this session I will also show you how to graphically create the tables from the Quarto document page, and then you have only to fill it. Yeah. Some people also can want to have some diagram uh, to highlight their workflow in the document. So to do that, you have to create a format uh, script part, like you put this 3, I don't know how to call this, and you make mermaid. It's going to prepare that this part you are going to create a diagram workflow, and you write flow chart LR. And now the different edge of your of diagram and the different component you start to create it. If you say A hard edge, B round edge, so it's going to give you something like this, and you can see the difference if you put this crochet. You can have a component, rectangle component, but if you give parentheses, it's a bit different to the first one. And depending on what you want, what kind of components of shape you want, you can put it in your diagram structure. So we already discussed about the exportation type. So you can write your script in the document. In the Quarto document, you export in either HTML, PDF, Word, or more, because it's a dynamic tool. Also, people are sometimes adding new feature in this tool. It's why you need to be aware about the existing tool that you can benefit during your research. So based on this different description, we are going to have a practice session where we will create a YAML part, add some text description, create some data, make some visuals, run it, export in at least HTML format, and then anyone here will be able to have a ready document that could be the baseline of his quarter learning, and to add it in the future work. To have more details how to learn quarter and what are the very deep component of quarter, you can use this link to 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 get more details. And after this session, you will be able to work on your independent project. I don't know if you are already aware about that, but the coordinator name I will inform you about that. By the end of the different session, you will have an independent project. And you also use Quarto to create some example of projects like research project, hypothesis method, all this data communication campaign, or research community centered topic, but also create some slides, because Quarto allowed also to create slides. So if there is no question, or someone want to add something, so we are going to move to the practice part. Nema, do you want to say something about this independent project?
Oh no, that's fine. I can talk about it after you're done with the demo towards the
Yeah,
very end of the session. Thank you.
perfect. So maybe we can have 2 or 3 minutes of break in order to move to the R studio. Uh,
In the meantime, if anyone didn't download the document, there will be a good time to do that. So please let us know if you struggled accessing any of the materials that Usman had shared so that we can help you set that up.
yes, that's also, yeah, yeah, you are right. Yeah, if anyone has some difficulty to get the material, so you can write on the chat to let us know. So Nema, are you see my R studio?
Yes, we can see it.
Okay. So we have 2 minutes and then we come back. From now, it means in 10 past 27 we come back.
I only got a reaction from Witness. How about everyone else? Were you able to download the files that were shared? Yeah, thanks, Kaiser. Thanks, Tayo. Thanks, Victor, Jason, Sylvian. Okay, yeah, great.
So, okay. So I hope everyone have the different document. So it means when you open your R studio, you already been familiarized with R studio components. So please go to where your files are located. For me, they are in this folder. They are here in Quarto doc. All the folder are here. So you can open this file, name student file. Is everyone able to open it in the R studio? So Nema, Kaiser, or Kokoda, you can help me about the reaction because I am not seeing the chat. So we
Yeah,
are going
react
to
in the chat, please.
okay, we are going to have this file like reference file. So we are going to take the different component from this file. But as I mentioned, it's not mandatory to follow every document or part that I am writing. You can create your own document content. Yeah, just about the content. It's not mandatory to follow everything that I am writing. The important parts are necessary, but the contents you can add your own story. So after here you can click here like plus. We are going to create a QMD or Quarto document. If you click on this plus, you see to create a new file, you have different format here. You have the first is R script, Quarto document, Quarto presentation, R notebook, R markdown. I don't know if anyone has this. Maybe I think these are like universal, even if you are working with French or other language of Artijo, I think. So if you see Quarto document, please click there, Quarto document. It's creating a Quarto document. From that, you see here, it's give you this small panel where you have title, authors, HTML. The default is HTML. We are going to start with that. We have a PDF, we have a Word, and down it say create an empty document or create. I think from here, even if you click create empty document or create, it's going to give you a default Quarto document. But if it is empty document, it's only giving you the YAML part basic. If you put create here, it's going to give you as YAML part and add some description. Just example, let's click here, create empty document. We create an empty document. Has everyone have, did everyone has here? Has this component?
Yes.
Okay. So now from this, we are going to inspire to be inspired from the student file. So when you go back to the student file, you see very important for these parts, which is the YAML, you all have this components, these three dash, and from the beginning and the end of the YAML part, you need these three, this part to tell you that you are in the YAML part. So now from this YAML part, we have to complete some metadata. We have title, authors, date. Okay, you can either copy these parts first, okay, and add it in your new document if it is not already there. So I'm going to copy this because I saw title there. I will copy author and date and add it here. So I just copy it from there. I add it here. So for the title, please, because if possible, you are creating your own document, please give it your the title adequate to your documents that you are creating. You are not mandatory or it's not necessary to follow everything that I am creating. Okay. So maybe has title we can say ECR document. Yeah. Author you can fill your author is the Mr. Victoire you can fill or Mr. Kaiser. Date you can fill the date of your document. Today for me, today I'm filling it today. So you have this part, okay? You have this part for the metadata. And for the format, so you have the exporting format. You have, if you want to show a table or a table of contents in many report, in first you have the table of contents of your different section. It's very important. If you want to add some level of headings, you can add some collapse code chunk, term, all this. So let's just copy all these format part, okay, and paste it in the format. You have it. So for the default format, we are going to see the HTML, which is the default one. But when you have time, so we are going to show how to export it in doc or PDF. Formats PDF. So as I want to show a table of content, I will add talk equal true. Talk equal true. So it's here for the number of heading can decide to have only three headings, but you can add 4, 5, 6. So if you want to collapse code chunk, by default it has true or false, so I can say false. So for now, let's remove this part. We just want something simple. I will give you a clean version. So just let's create a simple YAML path. So we have this. Are you able to follow? And
Yes.
after this part, we go to complete the execution part. So let's copy this execution part and paste here. So in this execution part, we have, for example, echo. For the echo, it can take value argument true or false. If you want to show code, source code in your output, let's say true as beginning. Show warning in output, so I can say false. I don't want to see all warnings in my output, just the ready document. So after that, as it is a scientific document, people can add some references. So for the references, just copy.
Osman,
Yes.
so a quick question before you proceed. Are the arguments supposed to be case sensitive? So for example, true, does it have to be in all caps or could it also be in small letters? Or would that give a warning, an error?
Oh, if you put capital or small letter,
Yes.
I think yeah. Let's maybe run with this and try with small letter to check.
Okay.
Yeah, let's do that. Yeah, and then for the references, you have to add your reference file. You have to create a reference file to add it. The reference file should be created separately with this Quarto document file. So to create a reference file, I don't know if anyone is familiarized with extension beep, because me I am using LaTeX, so we have this reference bit where you can put all the format of your references. For example, if I open this reference bib, you have to create a file like this. If it is an article, you put hot article and you put your reference code name, author, title, year, journal, yeah. But this also, if you are taking the article from uh, Google Scholar, so there is one part where it is cite. If you click there, you can have the different format of citation. For me, I am usually using LaTeX, so I take the BibTeX. It means I already have this format predefined. If it is a report, You have to do this hat report and you put your information report. So here you should put the reference file in the same folder with your Quarto document file. And here we are just filling the name of the file. I name it references. After that, we have different citation style. We have APA, Vancouver, etc. So depending on what citation style do you want to incorporate, you have to add it here in a CLS document. So for the citation file, you can download them from zotero.org style. They are there. Just go there and download your citation style that you want. You have not to edit the document, just download it. So I already do that. I download that citation style, and it is 2D material CLS. Just let's fill it here. 2D materials.cls. Okay. I think it's okay now. And then you can save first. Let's save this document that we are created. I'm going to save it in where other documents are. It was in Quarto. So how can I just Quarto? Just save your file. Okay. So if anyone was able to fill this different component, now we are going to export it in HTML document. So to export it, you have to run. So if you have this run on saving, if you pick this, it means anytime you are doing Control S to save, it's rendering the main time. But you can render by clicking here, render. If I render, you see it's already create a HTML document. So let me come in my R. So you see, if you render, it's creating an HTML document here, down test quarto.html. Normally anyone should have something like this already created. If I open it, view in web browser, I have this document which is HTML format. ECR document was my title, author here, Mr. Jao, publish the date. I have this. The other part of the YAML, they are in the document conception part. They are internal, they are not shown here. And also I didn't add any text now, it's why the reference part is not shown too. So I hope and everyone was able to create this. So we are going to split the classroom in different groups.
Osman,
Yes,
yeah, so before you split you break up rooms. There is one person, he say he's getting error.
getting
Yes,
error
yes.
after running the HTML.
Yeah, I don't know what kind of error he's getting. Could you paste the error you're getting?
Oh,
There is another one getting error,
yeah.
like two of them.
Maybe one of you could share your screen and then this
Yeah.
one could troubleshoot. Either Jerson or Taiwo.
Jackson, yes.
Yeah, Jerson, do you mind sharing your screen?
Is someone sharing the script? The screen? If
Yeah,
not,
you're on mute.
I don't know what kind of error do you have. So maybe I'm going just to paste this part in the chat. So maybe it's because of some internet. Just
Oh, okay. Yeah,
copy.
thanks. I think
I
somebody
copy.
volunteered. Usman
Yeah,
volunteered to share their screen.
yeah. Go ahead. I stop sharing from my side.
Yes, I think you may need to stop sharing.
Yeah.
Is it there for you?
Okay. So
Can't, yeah, we can see your screen, yeah.
okay. Can you start from the beginning? So
I'm not sure why these are not showing in green as it was showing for you.
okay. First, after format,
Mm-hmm.
can you move HTML and talk through talk depth in two intendant? Yeah.
Sorry, I didn't get you. Say it again for me. You want me to do format HTML here?
To tab like
Edition.
Yeah, can't add the indentation.
Move the everything like
you have to correct the tabulation. So you see, for example, in echo in execute, echo and warning are not in the same level of intonation.
No, I'm not getting you. Can you try saying it in the chat?
So maybe let me share my screen to see exactly what I am trying to.
Okay, okay. Stop sharing.
So
Oh, you want me to indent it?
yes, you see here format.
Okay.
Format. I have after format HTML here,
Yeah.
and after HTML we have this. You have to respect the intonation.
why your date is showing in a blue color and the text inside the date is in green color? For me, it's simply black.
So let me
Let me just
let me
share my
let me pass this, copy this and pass it in the
chat. Yep.
chat, and you can just take it and paste in your
Yep.
to see what is happening after. Maybe copy this and paste.
Okay. Thank you.
The other people, were you able to run? Victoire,
Yeah, yes, Usman. Yeah, yes, it's fine for me.
it's fine. Okay, perfect. Baba or Theo, was it okay on your side?
Yes, it's okay. Thank you, Usman.
Thank you. Jason?
Not yet. I'm still trying to organize it.
Yeah, just copy what I passed in the chat and paste in your side, maybe because of the tabulation. Was it okay now?
Yes.
Yeah. After this, between these three dash, like this one and the last one, you just create YAML by this. So passed inside what I passed in the chat and run it. To run, just click here, and normally you will have HTML document ready. Is it okay now? Naima, can you remind me the participant name who was struggling?
Yeah, I think it's okay.
It's okay now.
Yeah.
Okay, we are going to check it by in the small groups. Dar team Nema, Kaiser, and Kokoda. Can you launch the
Yes.
the
Yeah.
groups?
How much time would you like?
Eh?
How much time do you need for the breakout
I
room?
think 5 minutes
5 minutes?
or 6, because it's just about checking if anyone is able to run this. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
7 minute maximum. Yeah, I'm taking timer.
Okay. Okay. I'll put a timer for 5 minutes for now, and then if
Yeah.
you need more, let us know. Okay. So I'm gonna open up the breakout rooms. So for everyone that's in the main room, was everyone able to follow?
Not me.
Oh, okay. Do you wanna share your screen?
Mhm.
It's already parliament.
Oh, you want me to share my R Studio?
Yes.
Yeah.
You are a student, so that we can troubleshoot it together.
It's working for me, I think now.
Oh, it's working for you.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Good. So did it open up to a tab? It should.
Yeah, I was about, I think it could save now. Can you see my screen now?
Yes, yeah, we can see your screen. Yeah.
So I have saved it here and I want to see if it's opening up or not.
Okay.
It is.
Yeah, okay, perfect. And so for the date one, I think you had an extra space between date and the colon, which is why
Oh,
it
I
was,
see. Okay,
yeah,
that makes sense.
yeah.
Oh, cool. Thanks.
Nice. You can also update the author to your name and
Yeah, I
also
just copy pasted his thing and that
yeah,
gave it a try to see what's happening. Yeah.
okay,
Cool.
great.
But I realize it's more of like a tabulation thing.
Mhm.
So,
Nice. Do you also want to try in creating a Quarto document? So we went through the route of create, but there was the other option. Oh, okay, so you did both. Perfect. The default one, they created an empty document
It comes.
with the populated one, yeah.
Yeah, forgive us to remove them.
Yeah, okay.
nice job, sharing.
Yeah, yeah, you can stop sharing.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Tayo and Sylvan, you guys are doing okay?
Yes, yes. I've not been added to any breakout room.
Oh yeah, so this is the main one. We also have Kokoda the TA.
Oh, okay,
Yeah,
okay.
don't be avoid.
Oh, right, yeah.
I'm
I'm
fine on my
fine.
side.
Sylvan, you
I'm
okay?
fine. Yes, I'm okay on my side.
Okay,
Yes. Yeah. I could go there.
Kokoda, Sylvan say hi. Sylvan say hi.
No, I didn't get that. So, hi, it's Lilia. Nice to hear from you.
Yeah. Nice to see you also.
Uh,
And Tayo, are we pronouncing your name correctly?
Yeah, Taiwo. Yes,
Tayo.
yes.
Okay, so I think since we are caught up, we can just wait for the rest of the team to finish up and then we'll continue.
Okay. That's fine.
I have a question. So, is it also possible to have a PPT with Quarto?
yes. Yeah, definitely. You can make the PPT by using Quarto, but I'm not quite familiar how, but it is possible if you check in the options when you are making the project, you will see the presentation. I also met someone, there was someone, if you remember that guy, Punam's friend. Varun, yeah. He mentioned that he makes all of his presentation using Quarto. Yeah. So it's something which is good to explore about.
Yeah, I'm seeing an option when you go and create a document Quarto presentation, so
Yeah.
perhaps that could be.
Oh,
There are so many use cases.
Was he
Hi, witness.
here?
Mhm.
Hello.
Yeah. Hi. I know David said you guys had a meeting at the office.
I had a meet. We're in different office, but I had another meeting here at my office.
Yeah. Oh, okay. So were you able to follow, or you are starting from the beginning?
I was able to follow about Quarto. Is it Quarto? Quarto? Oh, yeah.
Quarto.
Yeah. I was able to follow for 30 minutes, then I went for the meeting.
Yeah. Did you create a new document?
What?
Were you able to create a Quarto document on your own machine?
I tried to, but not today, when I was installing the.
Oh, okay. So maybe I can do a quick overview.
I don't see.
Yeah. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see this.
Okay. So you want to go here
Yes.
where it says new file and then create a Quarto document. So open up to this pane over here. Can you see it?
Yeah, I can see.
So yeah, you can just leave the untitled as it is and then leave the HTML option and then go and click on create empty document. It will open up to something like this. Have you been able to do that?
Yes, I'm a bit already.
Yeah, okay. So
Yeah.
there, I'm gonna paste this in the chat. You can add it. You can edit it. I'll actually test the whole thing. So I've messaged you. Just copy paste what I've added in the chat and put it on the new document that I created. And then yeah, we can continue into a breakout room just for the interest of time. I'll stop sharing my screen.
Hi, everyone.
Hi.
So did everyone able to create the document?
At least I was able to.
Yes, that is fine. So, Neema, was it okay? Yasin and Kaiser?
It was okay on our side. I'll let Kaiser also share.
Kaiser, was it okay? Okay. Is everyone back now?
Yeah.
Okay, fantastic. So let's continue because we don't have much time, at least to have some important section fields. So when we, what is this? Let me move it. When we come back, now we have created our YAML document, yeah? Now we move out to the other part now. Maybe just when you are here, if you click, not here, when you are outside, you go outside of this environment. Now we are filling the text.
Usman, I'm sorry, we are not
Yes.
seeing your screen. I'm
Oh.
not sure whether it's just a...
Yes, you are right. Let me. Okay, are you seeing my screen now?
Yeah.
Okay, fantastic. So now let's move out of the YAML part now. You've already finished with the YAML part. We are out. So we are going to fill the different session. So let's go to the reference file. So I'm ignoring this part parameter here. Don't mind it. So we are going to add now the different section. So in this section, we will see this different text format, the heading first, and also how to use bold, italic also, and how to add another some script. So in the first part, let me create a first level heading. I told you if you put this hashtag, you put a space. I just put hashtag space.
Sorry, Osman.
Yeah.
Osman.
Yeah.
Do I have to create a new
No.
Quarto file or
It's the same
one?
document.
Okay.
Now you are out of, you see, here is the limited of YAML part. You see, in this 3 dash, limit the YAML part. You are out of the YAML part now. I just put like one hashtag and space. It's creating this heading 1. Let's maybe say introduction.
Say it again. What did you do to create that heading 1?
Huh?
So what did you say? How did you create that heading 1?
Yes, I didn't create it. So
Okay.
you see it's empty now. For example, here, you see my cursor?
Yeah.
It's empty.
Okay.
Just to create heading 1, just put hashtag and space.
Okay, it works. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Hashtag space, and you write introduction. Introduction. And you put enter.
Sorry,
If you put enter,
sorry,
yeah?
hold on.
Yeah.
Now we are working the visual format.
No. We are out.
Okay.
Yeah, we are out.
Yeah, I'm still in. I don't know how can.
So maybe come like you see the limit of it by in the right. When you are put your cursor in the, do you see my cursor here?
Yes.
From here, if you click there, if you put enter, it's going to move you out of the YAML part.
Yeah, I don't know what's happened, but
Yeah, Usman, I think that he's working on the source format. That's why it's not seeing what you're writing like this.
Maybe can you share your screen, Jason?
yes, please, can you stop sharing yours?
Yeah.
Okay.
So yes, click there. Yeah, right. Click there and tap enter.
Nothing happened.
So yeah, tap enter, tap enter again. Yeah, from there you are out of the YAML part, I think. So write hashtag and space. Oh, it's not creating.
Yeah, Usman, because he's working on the source format. If you click in the visual, it's creating the heading.
Okay, yeah, you are right. So go to visual. Yeah, you are right. Thank you.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. So it's okay, yeah. Thank you so much. Let me share again. Okay. What is this? Why is it small? Can you see my screen?
Yes.
So after creating the introduction, so let's go to our student file and copy from this malaria, copy this text just for first time. Copy all this text only for exercise 6. And paste it here. Oh, I don't want that. No, don't copy. So let's write. Let's write two start like this. Start. Malaria. And you put start. You see, I am bolding the word malaria. Are you able to have this?
Yes. Yes.
So so now you can write something about malaria. Me, I said malaria is a life threatening. Just put your own text here. Diseases. caused by. Now for the space, so I only put one start. I write plus mojong. I close the start. You see it's putting it in italic. Are you able to have this?
Yes.
Okay. So now let's test about, you can test the other text format after. So in order to cover many things, let's add a reference here. Let's say it remains a major public health challenge. You see, now I want to add a reference here. I have to do this crochet. Okay. Heart. You see, now I add one of, you see, when you do this, it's showing you the content of your BIP file. Can you see this? WESH 2019 WHO 23.
Yes.
And now you see you choose the right citation that you want to include here. For this, I want to include this WHO. I click in WHO. It puts my citation. Okay. So let's test maybe second level of headings. Let me write symptoms. For second level of headings, just put two hashtag, 1, 2, two hashtag, and enter. It say heading 2, write symptoms. Are you able to flow?
The reference didn't come automatically for me. How did it come for you?
The heading 2?
No, the reference at the World Health Organization.
Oh,
Mhm.
so
I
have
have the file. I have the file downloaded, yeah.
in the same folder, yeah?
Yes.
And if you put this like crochet like this,
Yeah.
and you put hashtag,
Okay. Oh, even the order matters. I put, okay, that makes sense. Cool.
yeah,
I put the parentheses, then a post office sign, and then it didn't come, but I got it now. Thank you.
yeah, okay, thank you so much. So for symptoms, you see now the heading level of symptoms and introduction differ because I put two hashtag in symptoms and space for heading 2. So for symptoms, you can write everything that you want. It's symptom and diagnostic, yeah. So you can write everything you want. For example, you can say early symptoms. Early symptoms include mild fatigue. So if someone want to, you have created a document, someone want to create review your document, he want to say this is not right word, like here, mild fatigue, you have to put this tilt 1, 2, write mild fatigue and close it like this. If you close it, you see it's going to appear like this, which means it's not the good symptom. Okay. And you can continue to list some other symptoms: fever, chills, maybe an headache, I close this, I bold them. If I want to bold, I put 2 stars between the words. Yeah, is it okay for everyone? So let's try to put like an orderly list. So I have to put dash, okay, dash and space. Dash space give you an orderly symbol of list. Maybe RDTs for one of the Janyosi method. If I want to create another list from this initial list, I just enter and put another dash, you see, and space. I can say RDT positive. Are you following? Okay, let's pass to another section, maybe, to insert images. Let's insert images. To insert images, you have to follow this syntax. Okay. You have this exclamation mark. You put the caption and parentheses for your. So let me copy this. If I copy, it will not be, the different part will not be shown. Maybe let me create another, like another heading, maybe level 3, heading level 3. So images. So for images, you have to put this exclamation mark and crochet for your caption. Parentheses. Okay. So here, how my images is in the same folder of my document, I have just to put the image name, malaria diagram. Malaria diagram dot png. I think it was the same I created. Just to add some maybe so you create this. Or if you want to insert images also, you see here at the top you have insert. If you click in this insert, you have figure and images. If you click there, it's going to ask you, to choose your browser. If you click there, it's getting you in your local folders where you can choose your images. Let me choose this one, for example. I add the caption. Maybe let me do this. And I maybe can say, okay, it's going to add these images, for example. So after that, we have to create tables. So for the tables, as I mentioned, so if you can create a table by putting this in this format, but you have to be sure that they are well aligned. This, and you respect this different format. If it is in the model, the column is in the middle, you have to put this. Okay, all these well aligned. So as test here, just copy this, and here the caption is estimated malaria burden by WHO region. Copy this and paste in your Quarto document here after image. So let me say level 3 tables, and I passed my table here. It's already created. You see, it's already created. When you passed it, it's already created. But another way also to create tables, you see here at the top, you have insert, but you have table. If you click here table, it asks you insert table. If I click insert table, it's asking me how many rows and how many columns. I can specify. So for example, let's test a table of 3 rows, 3 columns. Caption, example, write it. and here includes table heads here. And then if I click, you see it's preparing this table that I can I can fill here to pull column number 1. Okay, column number 2, I can remove this. I can remove this and edit. I can edit this table. Okay, I can edit this table. 1, 2, 5. I can edit. Okay, and I can edit also this table caption. Okay, and after that, now we can think about code writing. For code writing, let me level 3 code.
Osman,
Yeah,
there's a hand from Sylvian.
yeah.
Yeah, thank you, Suman. I just have a question. So if you want to add title to your figure or your table, how you do that? Like title, like figure 1, figure 2, table 1, table 2. Yeah.
To add a title.
Yeah, like a table 1, blah blah blah, table 2,
For
blah
example,
blah.
here you can add like this heading, for example.
Mm-hmm.
Like this, you write here table 1.
Mm-hmm.
And you can
okay.
just because it's a text here.
Yeah.
Maybe you just before the table you can add a text like table 1, or if you want a text which is like here is for describing the table before adding it, yeah, because I plan to add the table caption here. This example is automatically linked to the table. When you remove the table, it's going to be removed. But if you want to describe the table before adding it, you create a space here and you write everything you want.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's the same
Thank
also with the figure. Before adding everything, you can create this space. Figure, you can add your text. Yeah. Figure X is illustrating you can add everything you want. Okay.
Cool.
Yeah, you can create a space to write everything you want before adding something. So is that what you are asking about?
Yeah, I was asking like when you have, for example, when you do like for example thesis, you have table 1, table 2, table 3. So
Yeah.
you have to mention that, and at the end you have the list of table. So that's why I ask. Yeah. Yeah, but
Okay,
it's
okay.
fine now. Yes.
Yeah, just create it by heading, and everything you create has heading is going. You see here in the table of contents.
Yes.
It's appearing here. If you create, it has heading.
Okay.
And for creating headings, it's about this hashtag. So for codes, you see codes, I have created a hits code. It appear in the list of my table content. And for creating codes, you have to do this the same with R Markdown. You have to these 3 things, and you open this bracket R, and then you see when you click enter, it's giving you the environment of creating code. Do you have this? Because if you are familiar with R Markdown, this one should not be difficult for you, yeah? Is it okay? And for that, I was so let's create this data frame part. I add this here. So let's create the data frame.
Osman.
Yes.
So Osman, how to create to open this R section?
Yeah, just here. For example, you are in the empty space here.
Okay. Yes.
You put 1, 2, 3. It's okay, yeah? 1, 2, 3, yeah?
Okay.
And you open this bracket. You say R. You go out of the bracket. You tap enter.
Okay.
Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay. It's very easy. You can remove. Now, malaria TS. So here, we create a data frame. Data frame. So just feel I want to create some months of data. Don't have everything month. So let me just put the logic one here. So just create this data frame. You are not it's not necessary to follow this. You can create your own data frame, yeah. And you have factor here in months app. Okay, you have this. And the values are random. The values are random. If you want to execute this, just click here, run. You can run it. It's run in your console. Okay. So let me put it in the comment. I'm putting it in the comment to be fast. This. And after that, so let's create a nice visual from ggplot. So let me also to do not lose time, past this ggplot, because you already know how to create a nice plot via ggplot. So that is not the purpose of the course. I already passed what you have to add here. in the chats. Please just take it and paste in your R environment. And if you have all these, now you can create your visual by running here. Oh, what is this? Oh, I have to load the library because it's R. So library GG plots. Don't forget your R skills about data visualization. So if I load that, it's going to create this fancy plot. Is it okay? So let's stop here now and run this to see what we have created. Okay, and you can click run now, run. Okay, you see now what I have created. The reference is here. I have my visuals, my tables, my picture. The first picture didn't show.
Osman, we don't see the other screen that you're sharing. I think you
Oh,
have.
sorry.
Yeah.
I'm just showing the result from my from the render. So you can go to your document here, your HTML. If I show it in another, okay, let me show it. Let me stop here. Stop. Yeah, it's here. So are you seeing it?
Yeah, we can see it now.
Yeah,
Okay.
this is the document that I have created. I have my introduction. I have my symptoms. I have my images, table, code, and reference here. You see, Jason, did you get something like this?
Yes, I got.
Victoire?
Yes, Usman, I'm trying to do something.
Okay, I hope this something will work.
Yeah. I was just following what you copy paste here.
Okay, so let's continue. You don't have much time to just add something. So some people can add equations. Yeah, can add equations. Yeah. So let me put the heading 2, heading 3 equations, because it's a scientific. So you have some models, you have run some models. Now you want to show the model description, formulation. So to add equation, that's very simple. Use this dollars, $2 for this equation. I can say, did I prepare equation here? So no, to add this equation, let's just add simple equation yt equal a minus 2t. I have this equation. You see, when you add this dollar, when you add these $2, it already created a equation environment. While you are filling this equation, it's showing you how the result will look like. Yeah, v equal d over time, and from here you can add your LaTeX knowledge. So sorry, Nema, give me 2 minutes. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In the same time, please fill your equation as possible you want, and you can run it to see the result. We are going to limit here, and I want anyone to share the screen to see the result. Okay, if possible. So now I'm stopping the sharing, and maybe I'm coming in 2 minutes, so we can start from Googlani, please. You can share your screen of the result of the render, the HTML.
Okay, I will give it a try.
1 minute here. I'm back. So could you share to see
That
the
was
result?
only in 2 minutes.
Yeah? I was not far.
Okay, I think I can at least share it to see if it's working.
And Theo, you prepare to share. So just show us the HTML document you have created. Okay. It's this one, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, you
So do
have your
yeah.
yeah. Just go to the HTML file. Yeah, if you run the
I'm running it. It keeps giving me this error in the console.
oh. What this error means. YAML except cannot read a block mapping. It
Why is
seems
this
it's
reading
about the
this?
table, yeah? Have you passed the table that I share with you from the chat?
Yeah, this table. The
No,
data
this
frame
is
you're
the images.
The error
I
is
haven't uploaded the image.
Oh,
So, Osman,
yes.
I think the error is telling you there is an issue in the YAML, not the codes. The YAML.
But
In the YAML header,
yes.
she has duplicated the keys. She repeated the key pairs 2 times.
Oh, maybe yeah. You can check your YAML.
Can you go to the YAML?
Say it again. Do I have what?
In the top of this document, in the top. Can you go there? No, in the same file, but in the YAML part, in the beginning of the document.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, there. From there, can you scroll? No. Leave it like that. You have.
Send the date. You see with the date.
Yeah,
The
just.
indentation also from the format.
The error is suggesting.
Sorry, also the HTML format.
Yeah,
You have to put a full colon.
yes. Oh. Okay, did someone was able to run the?
I'm gonna
Because
stop.
after
Yes.
you will have the clean version and you adapt it. Yeah. Victoire, maybe can you show us?
Yeah, I can show. Let me share my screen.
Thank you, Jason. Yeah. I
So,
just want to take Victoire and show you how to export this to PDF or Word quickly. Kaiser, can you prepare in your side to show? Yeah.
so what I did,
Yeah.
it was to follow the same code that you shared,
Yeah.
and in the place of, like, I used to say, like, malaria remains the public concern in Africa, then I utilize Anopheles as
Yes.
the primary vector,
Yeah.
and I cite like vector spaces, and I italize the name of these spaces, Gambia Finestus.
Yeah.
Then I bold and italize Anopheles.
Yeah.
Then for image of malaria vector, I
Oh,
went
yes.
in the internet, I download Anopheles.
Perfect.
Then I follow as you did.
Yeah.
Then after that, for the table,
Yeah.
I started table without adding. Then when
Yeah.
you explained that we can use adding table one,
Yeah.
then we put the title. I did it.
Exactly.
Then I was able to change like vector type, spaces, and role.
Perfect. Yeah.
Then in terms of the last bunch of the code,
Yeah.
code that you share with us, I
Yeah.
used to try with vector density data.
Perfect.
Then I was able to follow, like, mimic the quantity of vector per month.
Yeah.
Then I put it for the 4 vector that I was choosing.
Yeah.
Then I had my data frame here
Yes.
in terms of month,
Yeah.
up to December. So if
Yeah.
you go there, you'll see it's up to December. Then I was able to plot it.
Yeah.
And to have this final plot.
Perfect. Yeah.
Yeah.
Perfect. So it's okay. So now, Kaiser, can you share your screen to show just how to change this HTML to Word or PDF? Just quickly. It's very simple.
Okay, sure.
You just have to
Can you
change
see my
something from
screen?
your YAML. Yeah.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, I am seeing myself. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm seeing your eyes. Can you increase the size level? Yeah.
The font.
Yeah, the font. Yeah.
I'm afraid I can't.
Control. If you say put Control plus.
Control plus.
Yeah.
Is it better?
Yes, it's coming here.
Okay.
Yes, it's okay now.
So you want me to change this to PDF, right?
To doc Word yet.
Okay, I will change in the format instead of HTML. I'll put docs.
You see, you are following the other people just from the YAML where you have format instead of having HTML. He's changing to Word by changing HTML to docs, DOCX. Only that, okay?
Yeah, then I will render.
And then he render. It takes a bit time, but we got the result. Can you refresh maybe the?
Yeah. So I have the docs. Can you still see my screen?
Yes.
Yeah, here. So my document was kaiser.kmd.
Yeah.
The HTML is here and the docs is here.
Yeah, it's created a Word document now. Very easy.
Yeah, so
You
this
see,
is
the Word
my
is like this.
document.
Then you could edit. If you share this to your supervisor or other colleagues, they can edit the Word document. Okay, can you come back with the PDF?
Yeah, for PDF. Okay. If I want to render this to PDF, I'll change here the format.
Yeah, in the same location. From format, you change to PDF now. Okay.
And then if I click render, so
and you render it. You wait. And
I have some issues. Let me try once more.
okay. Yeah, so sometimes you have some issue. Just read your issue and try to correct it. I think it's
I think
already
it was a
it's already
network
created
issue.
now. Yeah.
Yeah.
And in the meantime, it's creating some additional file. So don't
So
be
can you
afraid.
still see my screen?
Yes, we are
Yeah,
seeing
this is the
PDF.
PDF. I'm opening it on my browser.
Exactly, yeah, exactly.
No, this is the HTML. I'm sorry, but the PDF is here.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah, fantastic. You see, very useful. So we are out of time, I think. Nema. So this was what we couldn't show how to insert link, but very easy. So you can continue to write your document. Thank you so much for attending this session. And I hope this was very useful. Don't forget to fill the post survey and continue with Quarto for writing your reports, papers, documents, and everything. Thank you so much. Nema, you have the floor.
Yeah. Could you please share the presentation, the last slide on the independent?
Yeah,
project?
let me show it. And also, thank you so much, all the facilitator, like Mr. Koko, Mr. Yasin, Mr. Kaiser, and Nema, you too, for all the coordination. Yeah, the last one is here.
Yeah, thank you, Osman. Yeah, thank you so much for this session. I really hope that the participants have learned something and that they will also be able to apply the coming assignments. Yeah, for me, this was also helpful because it was sort of like my introduction to Quarto. So yeah, thank you so much to all of you, including Kaiser and Kokon. So just a quick few updates. We will be, next week will be a break. So that will be a good time for you to catch up on the assignments, as well as for some of you that have not initiated that first meeting with the mentors, please do that. And thank you for your feedback on the CAS surveys. As you may have noticed, we have started making them a bit more short. So we are hoping that will also help with the completion rates. But congratulations to everyone. For the first time, we've had 100% completion rate for the CAS survey. So that's really good. And we hope that you keep up the momentum going forward. Another quick update is on the independent projects. So this will be, you have an opportunity in the next couple of months to work on a project of your interest. And this will just be a good opportunity to put into practice the skills and the knowledge that you have been gaining so far throughout the program. And we want these projects to be collaborative. because in the real world research and data projects, you usually would be collaborating with other researchers. So we encourage you to have a think on what you want to work on as your independent project during this break. And if you have any ideas, please feel free to post in the WhatsApp group so that if there are other participants that might also be interested to work with you, they can express that. Yeah, so other than that, we will be sending in reminders for some of the CAS surveys that you guys haven't completed yet. Please do complete those during this break. And if you have any questions around the mentorship or even with the independent projects, please feel free to reach out. So you can either post in the WhatsApp group or email me or any of the facilitators or your mentors as well. So yeah, we'll be here to and happy to provide you with that support. But other than that, have a wonderful break, and we hope to see you in the next other coming week. Thank you everyone for joining the session.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
I will share the clean file that as a participant who are not able to run everything to follow. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.